Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food unboxing for June. This is the tasting box, which is the smaller subscription. They do have a deluxe box as well, which includes more snacks. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Nutritional Choices mini graham bites, made with natural ingredients. No artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, or high fructose corn syrup. I know the kids will love those. They think this is their box. They like all the snacks out of here. Then we have Buffalo Blue Wing Seasoned Almonds by Legendary Foods. No sugar added. That sounds really good. I do love flavored almonds. And this I have had before. Cranberry Almond Maple Flavor Granola. It's really good. It's good to eat dry or to mix in with yogurt. So that's by Bakery on Main, which is gluten-free. And I love these. This is a favorite in my household. Greenpeace Snack Crisps. And this is just lightly salted. They come in all different flavors. You get them at Target and most at grocery stores. They're super good. Next up, Paleo Caveman Dark Chocolate Coconut Almond Nutritional Bar. Gluten-free, dairy-free. Have not tried that, but it sounds good. So I'm excited for that. Also have a turkey snack stick. Pretty sure I have had these in the past too, and I like stuff like that, so those are always good to me. And next, ZZ's Blueberry Lemon Soft Bake Bar. Baked with whole grain and nut-free. That sounds good. Blueberry and lemon, that's interesting. And then they do normally have like little advertisements at the end, sometimes promo codes. Snack Nation. And then there's like a little wine club thing where I never use those, so if anybody wants to redeem that, doesn't really look like there's a unique code on there. It's just brightsellers.com/LWF. So yeah, that's what I got this month. I love this subscription. I've been subscribed for a long time. It's just a great little snack variety, and it's really cheap. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link below where you can sign up and join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.